Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Supermicro's AI-driven shift and market gains, Google's potential rivalry with OpenAI, Ford CEO on UAW standoff, a watershed moment. Market rebound continues for Nasdaq and Dow, S&P closes at record high. API announces $1.55 dividend while Roku faces a 17% tumble despite revenue beat. Coinbase surpasses expectations with GAAP EPS of $1.40 and revenue of $953.8 million, NVIDIA's AI investments revealed, plus Jeff Bezos' latest Amazon share sell-off following Miami move. Stay tuned after the short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. Bank of America has begun analysis on Supermicro Computer, a prominent company focusing on AI-based servers. The bank's experts predict substantial market expansion propelled by artificial intelligence. They anticipate the AI server market to increase by 50% each year for the upcoming 3 years, surpassing conventional servers. The analysts also underscored Supermicro's competitive edge through collaborations with NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. Additionally, they noted its capability to tailor high-performance solutions for its clientele.
Shares in Google have seen a 1.5% decrease following news that OpenAI, supported by Microsoft, is in the process of creating a web search product to challenge Google's supremacy. This development comes on the heels of Microsoft's substantial investment in OpenAI during the previous year. The potential implications for Google could be considerable given its current 90% hold on the search market, which generates approximately $150 billion from search advertisements.
Jim Farley, the chief executive officer of Ford Motor, has hinted at a possible change in the firm's production approach due to labor issues and elevated costs. The shift towards electric vehicles is leading to critical choices about the locations for manufacturing new models. Despite being at a $7 billion cost disadvantage compared to its rivals, Ford is targeting a reduction of $2 billion in expenditures this year. In related news, Mexico is becoming an important part of the electric vehicle supply chain as Chinese automotive suppliers establish factories there.
United States stocks concluded with an increase on Thursday, bouncing back from the effects of a consumer inflation report that exceeded expectations. The Nasdaq Composite ascended by 0.3%, the S&P 500 escalated by 0.58%, reaching a record peak, and the Dow Jones augmented by 0.91%. In spite of inconsistent economic data, investors shifted their attention to positive aspects such as the decline in retail sales and industrial production, which suggest a potential economic deceleration that is favored by the Federal Reserve. Concurrently, unemployment claims decreased more than anticipated and manufacturing activity displayed encouraging results for the first time since August of the previous year.
The pharmaceutical firm, API, has declared a quarterly dividend of $1.55 per share, keeping its prior rate. The forward yield is currently at 3.53%. This will be payable on the 15th of May for shareholders who are recorded by the 15th of April, with ex-dividend starting from the 12th of April.
Roku's fourth quarter earnings report revealed revenues surpassing expectations, marking a 14% increase to $984.4 million. Gross profit also saw a rise of 20%. Despite these positive figures, Roku's stock experienced a drop of 17%. The number of active accounts witnessed a growth of 14%, and streaming hours saw an uptick by 21%. On the downside, there was a minor dip in the average revenue per user. Looking ahead, Roku aims to boost its revenue and attain profitability over time. However, it does foresee challenges in the near future.
Coinbase, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, has announced robust Q4 results. The earnings per share stand at $1.40 and the revenue is reported to be $953.8 million, marking a 51.6% increase from the previous year. Looking ahead to Q1, the company anticipates subscription and services revenue to fall between $410 to $480 million, but also predicts an uptick in expenses due to elevated stock-based compensation. Despite a seasonal decrease in marketing expenditure, Coinbase stock continues its upward trajectory.
NVIDIA, a manufacturer of AI chips, has made investments in a variety of companies. These include ARM Holdings, a chip designer based in the UK, SoundHound AI, a voice AI company, and TuSimple, a Chinese firm specializing in self-driving trucks. NVIDIA also owns shares in Recursion Pharmaceuticals, a biotech company, and NanoX Imaging, which develops medical imaging technology. The most significant investment by NVIDIA is its $147.3 million stake in ARM Holdings.
Jeff Bezos, the co-founder of Amazon, has recently sold an additional $2 billion in stock. This action follows a trading plan he established in the previous year. His recent relocation from Seattle to Miami and his sale of over $4 billion worth of shares earlier this month are noteworthy events. There is speculation that the move to Florida could be motivated by potential tax benefits, given that Florida does not levy state taxes on capital gains, unlike Washington. And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay invested, stay informed, and we'll meet you back here tomorrow for more insights. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.